My name is Pankaj Dubey. I am country head and managing director of Polaris India and Indian Motorcycle India. Yeah, it's amazing. I have been in the biking fraternity for quite some time, and I was part of the team that brought super bikes to the country, whether it was Hero Motors when they launched the BMW, or Yamaha when they launched the R1 and MT-01 and VMAX products. And that's when Polaris came to India, and I got an opportunity to launch Indian motorcycle. And the kind of products that we started with, and then the kind of expansion that we have done in the last 3 years. You'll remember that we launched the first 3 products in 2013, and today in 2018 we have around 10 models, and quite a variant, and every year the product is getting refreshed and added. So it's so exciting to work for such a legendary brand, and which is being very rightly engineered by Polaris. And as you know, Polaris has been mastering the art of comfort on the road, on off-road, through Polaris ATVs. And the way that they've engineered these Indian motorcycles, you go on all sorts of roads and it's so comfortable. You don't feel the fatigue. You don't feel tired even after long distances. So I feel very proud to associate with a company which is so high on engineering excellence, which is what shows the kind of a growth that the company is doing and the right strategies the company is adopting, especially on Indian motorcycle. Indian motorcycle was a benchmark where across the world people used to see this bike and then copy or try to get close to that. That was where Indian motorcycle was in the early 1900th century. The heritage, the kind of association was superb all over the place. So what's good about, what differentiates Indian motorcycle with the others has been in the past also something to do with your the goodness and the good heart that the people should have. So I would say that that's one single factor that differentiates our bikes versus others, is the comfort while you ride. Though it looks very intimidating, these are big bikes, heavy bikes, but when you ride, it's like very soft. It's like riding a bicycle, it's so easy and comfortable. So that's what the beauty and the differentiation of our bikes are. So it's very difficult to choose between the two because it's very integrated and merged. But I would say that because of being the CEO, I get the luxury of Indian bikes, so I won't give up the CEO position. So I get the fun and love the bikes ride. So it's very difficult to choose. I would say 50-50, though you may not like it, but that's how it is. That because of being a CEO, I get to ride such a fantastic vehicles. So it's important. And I love riding bikes on a long distance as well as the short distance, because that's the only time that I get with myself. The slogan itself is very nice, because biking is all about enjoying myself, my time. But then the perception of bikers across the country is not so great. And I felt that bikers for good, or doing good for the society, is very, very integral part of Indian motorcycle. You can also invest into this life by doing something great. And that's why I felt that while we do biking, we should do something great for the people, for the country. And in that light, we are making our small effort, and the effort is that wherever we ride, whatever we do, we figure out who is doing a great job on girl-child education. If all the girls get educated, 100% population will also get educated, and that's what we are investing into, and that's what gives immense satisfaction to us, that we are doing good to the society. So in a way, we are a branch of Bikers for Good.